Before we start the video, I want to let you guys know that I'm starting a free F&F group. It means family and friends. We get to trade together, find coins, everyone makes money. So if you guys are interested, you're a total beginner, don't know where to start, join. The only requirement is that you join Axiom with my link, and yeah. Hey guys, Shop here. So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your funds or your profits from Axiom, and then uh, wash it, and then finally put it into the wallet of your choosing. But there is a wallet that I use. It's great for beginners, and it's very secure. Zero wallets have been hacked out of 2 million plus wallets sold. So yeah, let's get started, and hopefully everyone's happy. So in Axiom, when you want to withdraw, you'll go into here and you'll click withdraw. It'll ask you how much you want to withdraw. You'll put it in, then the address. So what you'll do is you'll take it from here and you'll have a phantom wallet. If you don't know how to make a phantom wallet, you just download the app on your selected browser. So the extension can be for Firefox or Chrome, one of the two, and install the extension, and then it'll prompt you to make a wallet. You can make it with an email or you can make it with the seed phrase. So anyways, you click withdraw, select the amount that you want to withdraw, then put the phantom wallet address, and then it'll deposit it there. Once you're done, you'll go over to a site called sideshift.ai, which is this. You'll connect that wallet, the phantom wallet, connect it here, and then you're gonna click fix rate. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna select Sol. It may not look like this for you because I've used it already, so it saved my preset. So you're gonna click Sol to use D on Sol. You'll enter your main wallet. So the way it's gonna work is you're gonna have Axiom, then you're gonna have a Phantom wallet, and then lastly you're gonna have a main wallet. So this is gonna be your offline hardware wallet that you're gonna keep your funds on. It could be a Trezor, it could be a Ledger, it could be any one of these. But I use a wallet named Tangem. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your main hardware wallet, take the address, paste it in here. You can also just scan this, and then select how much Sol you want to transfer over to USDC, and then just click Shift, and it'll automatically transfer it from Solana over to USDC Solana. You can also do Ethereum. You can do Litecoin. You can do any kind of coin. All is you just go here, and it shows you all the types of coins that they have. You can do base. You can do Bitcoin, anything basically, and then it'll transfer as long as your wallet supports that coin. You just paste your wallet address, click Shift, it'll exchange it from Solana to your currency you're choosing. I say to use USDC because USDC is a stable coin. So no matter what, if it dips 3 cents or it goes above 3 cents, like USDC will always stay stable at $1 or 99 cents. So if you profit $100 in Solana, after exchange fees, you'll probably be left with like $98 or $99 and like 50 cents, right? So from there, it goes on to your hardware wallet, or if you want to be more secure, you could have a second Phantom wallet, which is what like I do. So I go from Axiom to a Phantom wallet on my Chrome browser. Then I use that wallet, connect it to here. Then I have a Phantom wallet on my phone, and then I connect that to SideShift, and that's where I paste in the wallet address, and I transfer some Sol to USDC on Sol. Then I get my USDC on to my Phantom wallet on the phone. Then from there, I transfer it over to my hardware wallet. That way, I have different layers of security, so it's not like I have predictable transactions where it's going to be from Axiom straight to my hardware wallet, or Axiom to Phantom to my hardware. But it's going to be from Axiom to my Phantom on PC to side shift to Phantom, and then on my phone, and then finally to from Phantom on my phone to my hardware wallet. So the hardware wallet that I do use is called Tangem. So Tangem is beginner friendly, like it's simple to use. Out of 2 million plus cards sold, wallets, none of them have been hacked. Uh, when you look at it, all it is you download the Tangem app. If you look on the App Store, the app has like 4.9 out of 5 stars, and all it is the wallet is this card. It has no markings on it, despite what you see here. There are no markings on it, so if someone were to look at it, it would look just like a plain black plastic card. Inside of it has the chip that generates the wallet on the app. So all it is you go ahead, you download the app, you set up your wallet, and then you every time you want to access it, you just tap the card to your phone, and then it opens up the wallet. You can also set up biometrics, just like how I do. I just log in with my fingerprint, and if I need to make any transactions, I use the card. You can use biometrics and a security code, both together or one or the other. And you can also use the card. So you have a three-way, a three-step, what do you call it? A three-step login. So on the app, you can track prices. So it's like having coin market cap on your phone. You can look at individual coins and how they're doing for that day. So like different statistics. You can swap on it. So if you have Solana and some Solana USDC, you can use that. And if you have some Ethereum on it, you can switch it over from Solana USDC to Ethereum USDC, or like Base or anything on the Ethereum network. You can also buy with it. You can buy a crypto on it with MoonPay. You can sell crypto on it. You can link a bank account, and it'll transfer that to actual cash, and then deposit. And then you can also stake crypto on it, which whatever it gives you, the 4% APR. It could be APY. It could be it could be yeah. So it could be 4%, 3%, 2%, whatever the network is paying right now. And yeah, this app, this wallet is pretty good, beginner friendly and secure. And yeah, it gives you a lot of accessibility. One thing they are coming out with at the end of this year is that they will have a Visa debit card that will be linked to your Tangent wallet, your hard wallet, and you can use that to spend your crypto at stores. So it will convert. It will do the conversion for you. So like, let's say 0.1 Solana is like $20, and you go to the store and you spend like $19. It will do that conversion. It will convert that SOL to cash, and then it will do that transaction at the store or wherever you go buy, online store, whatever it is, which makes it like almost an all-in-one solution. Because everyone holds their crypto and then they wait till the end of the year to like withdraw, and then you have to pay taxes on it. You can always just spend it now, you know. Like if you have some to like spend on your bills, spend on food, spend on whatever it is you want. It's basically an all-in-one wallet solution right now. It's going to be, I think, at the end of the year, like fall. So if also if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Uh, give me a like, subscribe, comment. I also have a FNF group, friends and family group, coming out either tomorrow or the day after. I'll be making a video once I launch it. It's for free. All you gotta do is sign up for Axiom with my link and trade with that account. I help you. We all trade as a group. I'm only letting in 30 people every few months, and then from there, yeah. So 30 people this round, and we all just trade together. I'm good at scanning coins, so once I find a coin that's good that we can pump together, everyone can get in. We all make money. Get in before all of the KOLs, the guys that use us for exit liquidity, we can use them for exit liquidity, right? So once we can find coins that are early, we can find coins before all the other KOLs, which is pretty easy as long as we're on there. Sessions would be like 8 to 12 hours a day, starting from like 12 p.m. Eastern or 11 a.m., 10 a.m., all the way up to like midnight, 1, 2, 3 in the morning. Depends how fast, busy things are, how much we're profiting. You know, group trading, everyone says to group trade. So why not make a community, make it free, you know? So if it sounds good to you, um, subscribe, wait for the next notification for when the group is coming out, and let's you know make money together, make Solana together, make our lives better. That's all there is to this whole game. See ya.